What happens if the trucking company won't release evidence? That's the best part of the job. That's when we attack. That's what happens all the time. They don't want to give you the evidence. And what they do is they like to play games with the evidence. But the fact that we here at Munley Law have so much experience in truck accident litigation, we know exactly what they're hiding. Sometimes you can go through their responses to your questions that you get to ask them. Read their responses to the questions that you've asked them and know exactly what it is that they're hiding before they even give it to you, because we've been through it so many times. And so when a trucking company starts to hide or refuse to give you information that you know you're entitled to, that's when you know you're in the driver's seat. The goal becomes getting it from them. And how do you do that? You got to drag them to court. Wherever the jurisdiction you're in is at, you've got to take them in front of the judge and have the judge rule on it, because the evidence and the rules of evidence say we're entitled to that information. What I've seen many, many times in my career, our lawyers are afraid to go in front of the judge and force the judge to rule. That's not the case here. That's one of the best parts of the job, is to get in front of the judge, argue this out, because most of the time the judge is going to say, wait a minute, the plaintiff is entitled, plaintiff is our side, is entitled to that information, and a lot of judges will start hitting them over the head with this. So that's one of the best parts of the job.